Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 480 and 720 using prime factorization method. In this method we divide numbers using prime numbers and find the factors of the number. So first we will divide 480, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Now 15 is an odd number, we are going to use the next prime number which is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. Now 480 is fully divided. Let's divide the other number which is 720. 720 is an even number, it is easily divisible by number 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 is remainder, 2 times 5 is 10. Now 45 is an odd number, it is divisible by next prime number which is 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 is a prime number, it is only divisible, 5 is divisible by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. 720 is also fully divided. Now we got the factors of both the numbers. So first we will find the HCF of the numbers. For finding the HCF, we are going to write the factors of 480 and 720. So factors of 480 are 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 5. These are the factors of 480. Let's write the factors of 720. The factors of 720 are 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 3 times 5. So these are the factors of 720. Now to find the HCF, let us now find the common factors in between the two numbers. So we'll circle the common factors, and for finding the HCF, we'll take the product of the common factors. So let's circle the common factors first. So here 2 is a common factor in between both the numbers. One more 2 is common to both the numbers. There is one more 2 common, and this 2 is also common to both the numbers. Now we have 3 common in both the numbers and factor of 5 common to both the numbers. So the HCF will be the product of all the common factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 will be the HCF of these numbers. So HCF will be, make the solution easier, let's multiply 5 and 2 and rest of the numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24, and 5 times 2 is 10. So the HCF of 720 and 480 is 240. This is the HCF of these two numbers. Now let's find the LCM of the two numbers. For LCM 2, we are going to write the factors of both the numbers. So that's 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 5, which can be written as 480 in exponent form, 2 raised to power 5 times 3 times 5 raised to power 1, and 720 can be written as 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 3 times 5, or in exponent form we can write it as 2 raised to power 4 times 3 square times 5 raised to power 1. So for finding the LCM, we'll take the product of the highest power of factors. So the highest power of factor in both the numbers is, for 2 it is 2 raised to power 5, and 3 it's 3 square, and 5 is 5. So let's take the product of these factors. So this will be 2 raised to power 5 times 3 square times 5. So LCM will be equal to 2 raised to power 5 is 32 times 3 square is 9 times 5. So LCM will be 2 times 9 is 18. 1 carried over, 9 times 3 is 27, 2 plus 1 is 28. So 288 times 5, let's multiply the two numbers. 5 times 8 is 40, 4 carried over, 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44, and 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So LCM is 1440 and HCF is 240. So this is how we find the LCM and HCF of two numbers using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.